The day that we will be transferring to the new house. Hello! This is our last day here sa Rojas District. So, we are celebrating by cooking some baked tahong for the first time. And we will try this. Our oven. There we go! So yummy! Yum, daming cheese. The rest, medyo kinula lang kami ng cheese kaya nagtipid. But anyway, yum yum! Kain tayo! Hey guys! This is the day. It's already March 31. It's my pamangkin's birthday. Happy birthday, Cedric! And it's also the day that we will be transferring to the new house. So, ito na po ang aking empty room. Ta-da! I'll show you. There we go! So, my room is already empty. It's March 31. It's our move-out day. Thank you so much, room, for being so, cozy. Sobrang mamimiss ko to, but thank you for the good memories. Yan, nandito rin tayo sa room nila ate. Almost done. There we go. And we also have the master's bedroom. It's also clear as well. Ayan na siya. There. Time for the move out. Lovey. Thank you for helping us. Let's check downstairs. Ito na yung iba naming stuff. There we go. Sobrang dami. Yan. Cedric, happy birthday!
Tatanggalin sa iyo.
Ayan. So this is the van. It's too bright. Not van, the truck. Ayan.
Bu.
Buboy Sophie!
Bu na. Dati kasi,
And Hamsty!
dating lipat lakad lang eh. Lahat lang.
Yay! Time to leave! Yay! Bye, Babuch!
Tapos sa
Bye, my friends!
Ay, kan.
Bye, guys! Bye, guys! Oh, hello! Look at us! Yun yung doggy, oh.
Buboy! Grabe, kinakabahan siya. And this is Hamsty. Hamsty.
All good? All ready? See you there! We're here. This is the Bible, the bigas, the rice, and some coins. Yay! Welcome home. How do you like it, Papa? Isn't it so clean and nice? Okay, get the coins. Go get it. Those are the blessing coins. Go.
It's mine! It's mine! It's mine!
Dami. Wala naman ka-competition kundi kayo lang. Go get the coins. Yay, we're in. Finally here and look at all our stuff. So dami. Oh my, we have to figure out where to put all of these. Sobrang dami yan. But our plants are all in. We're all good. So far, ito ang situation. There's my dog. There's Cedric, the birthday boy. And this area is already looking so good.
Bakit naka-open
But this area, we still need to figure out how we're going to adjust it. Sabi ni Papa, dito pwede magkatabi ang gas range at ang ref. Which is very bad. Pero I think we can make it work. We'll just put something to stop or to make the heat not touch or affect the refrigerator. Pero yan, so far yan pa lang. And then, we'll figure things out from here. Bye-bye, truck! Here is the new house and the old stuff. Hello, Kuya! Ito ang magiging sistema dito. Here is our good problem. We don't know how to fit everything in the house. Hoo. So, ang eksena is parang may asawang pinalaya sa bahay at dito tinapon ng lahat ng gamit sa yard. But it will be a long and tiring update. It's already almost 9 o'clock and I just finished taking a bath. At ito na. We have set up the bed. Sobrang daming pagod today and marami pang dapat ayusin sa room. But yeah, so far so good. So tired. May pasok pa ako bukas and I'll just update you soon. Thank you for joining us today. Bye!